Greetings, astute minds and seekers of ancient wisdom. Today, we venture into the lively streets of Cyrenaic to unravel the contributions of a somewhat lesser known but deeply impactful philosopher, Anniceris. Positioned within the Cyrenaic school, Anniceris redefined hedonism, presenting pleasure not as a mere indulgence, but as an intricate framework for ethical living. Setting the stage, the Cyrenaic school. Before delving into Anniceris' philosophy, it's essential to understand the broader context. Founded by Aristippus, the Cyrenaic school argued that pleasure, particularly bodily pleasure, was the highest good. However, Anniceris, while inheriting this foundation, brought nuanced refinements. Anniceris' hedonism, beyond the immediate. Unlike some of his Cyrenaic predecessors, Anniceris believed that not all pleasures were fleeting or immediate. He posited that some pleasures, though not felt directly in the present, hold intrinsic value. Consider, for instance, the joy derived from acts of gratitude, friendship, or patriotism. While these might not provide immediate sensory pleasure, they cultivate a deeper, enduring form of joy, one that Anniceris believed was essential for fulfilling life. Ethical implications, the social fabric of pleasure. Anniceris' philosophy was not just about personal pleasure, it had a communal dimension. He emphasized that genuine happiness is interwoven with the well-being of others. Acts of kindness, altruism, and societal contributions, he argued, amplify our own pleasure by strengthening the communal bonds that sustain us. Challenging the Aztecs. An important facet of Anniceris' thought was its counterposition to Aztec philosophy. While many philosophers of his time advocated the denial of pleasure for virtuous living, Anniceris championed a harmonious blend. He posited that recognizing and embracing a genuine ethical pleasures could lead to a balanced, virtuous life. The nuanced hedonist. What distinguishes Anniceris from other hedonists is his nuanced understanding of pleasure. He proposed that one should consider not only the intensity of pleasure, but also its duration, purity, and consequences. It's akin to choosing between a fleeting but intense thrill and a less intense but longer-lasting contentment. For Anniceris, the latter often held more profound value. Anniceris invites us to revisit our understanding of pleasure. Rather than a mere inferior sensation, pleasure, when pursued with discernment and ethical awareness, can serve as a guiding star towards a life of fulfillment, both individually and collectively. As we navigate our modern lives, fraught with countless choices, perhaps we can find wisdom in the Cyrenaic alleys of Anniceris, discerning the deeper pleasures that resonate with the symphony of shared existence. Thank you.